Okay, I don't know what happened. Okay, this is, we took 2 common, minus 2 common from here, minus 2 common from here. So this is become minus 2 into x plus 2. From here x square is common, so x square into x plus 2. So x plus 2 is cancelled by x plus 2. Remember, not x is cancelled by x, the whole factor. There are two factors, one is minus 2, one is x plus 2. So whole x plus 2 will be cancelled by x plus 2, not x is by x and 2 by 2. No, the whole factors are being cancelled. So we have only limit x tends to minus 2. This is minus 2 upon x square. Now substitute the values. Minus 2 upon minus 2 square. It will become minus 2 upon 4. Minus 1 upon 2 is the answer. So remember, until x is there in the expression, we have to write limit x tends to something. Until x is present in the expression, we have to write the limit. When there is no x, we substituted the x. So we no need to write this one. It would be wrong if you write limit x tends to minus 2 because there is no x. We have substituted already. So this is the answer, minus 1 upon 2. Question number 29. Question number 29. Limit under root limit x tends to 9 under root x minus 3 limit x tends to 9, 29. Under root x minus 3 upon x minus 9. Take the LCM, denominator x minus 9. Substitute x 9 minus 9 will become 0. Denominator should not be equal to 0. So we'll do something. So what we'll do, this is the question of under root. When the question is under root, we will take the conjugate. We multiply it with its conjugate. Multiply and divide by the conjugate. When there is the question of under root in the denominator or in the numerator, there is under root. So we will multiply it with the conjugate of the under root of the expression which is in under root. So this is in under root. This is not in under root. So we will multiply and divide by the conjugate of the x under root x minus 3. What will be the conjugate? Under root x plus 3. Under root x plus 3. The same number. If it is x under root x minus 3, we will multiply it by under root x plus 3. Here as well as there. If it is under root x plus 3, we will multiply by under root x minus 3 upon under root x minus 3 with the conjugate. So we'll multiply with the conjugate. Under root x minus 3 is multiplied by under root x plus 3. It will become under root x square minus 3 square, a minus b into a plus b. It will become a square minus b square upon, that will remain as it is, x minus 9 in the bracket, in the other bracket under root x plus 3. No need to open it. It will become limit x tends to 9 under root x square will be x minus under root 3 square will be 9 upon x minus 9 into under root x plus 3. X minus 9 is cancelled by x minus 9. We have limit x tends to 9 1 upon under root x plus 3. Put the values. 1 upon under root x, that under root 9 plus 3. Under root 9 plus 3. It will become 1 upon under root 9 will be 3 plus 3. Under root 9 is 3 and plus 3. It will become 1 upon 6 is the answer. 1 upon 6 is the answer. One upon 6 is the answer. In this way, we have to solve. Either we will make the factors or either we will multiply with the conjugate if there are the questions of under root. If there are the questions of under root, we multiplied with the conjugate, up and down. Numerator as well as denominator with the conjugate. Another question of the same type. Question number 31. Question number 31. Have you understood this one? Anything do you want to ask? Anything do you want to ask? Nothing. Okay. We'll do the next question. Question number 31. Question number 31. X minus 1, sorry, limit x tends to 1. X minus 1 upon root x plus 3 minus 2. Root x plus 3 minus 2. First, directly we check the denominator. X is replaced by 1. 1 plus 3, root 1 plus 3 will be root 4, will be 2. 2 minus 2 will be 0. So denominator is becoming 0. Therefore, we will multiply with the conjugate of the denominator. It is in the under root form, so we will take the conjugate of the denominator. It will be written as it is. X tends to 1, x minus 1 upon root x plus 3 minus 2. Multiply with the conjugate of the denominator. X minus 1 remain as it is. Sorry, we'll multiply with the conjugate. Conjugate is under root x plus 3. This sign will be changed. Plus 2 upon under root x plus 3 plus 2. These will be opened. That will remain as it is. upper will remain as it is, x minus 1 in one bracket and under root x plus 3 plus 2 in the other bracket. Here also under root x plus 3 minus 2 in one bracket and under root x plus 3 plus 2 in the other bracket. The upper one remain as it is. Whose conjugate we found, that will be multiplied only. Upper one that will remain as it is, only where the conjugate is there, conjugate and the original number, so they will be multiplied. So it will become a minus b into a plus b. It will become a square minus b square. Minus b square. It will become limit x tends to 1. Upper remain as it is. Lower. Under root x plus 3 whole square will be x plus 3. Square and under root cancel, x plus 3. Minus 2 square will be 4. 2 square will be 4. So it will become, I will do here, limit x tends to 1. X minus 1 into root x plus 3 plus 2, bracket close, upon x plus 3 minus 4 will become x minus 1. It will become x minus 1. So x minus 1 is cancelled by x minus 1. We have limit x tends to 1 under root x plus 3 plus 2. Put the value of x, that is 1. It will become 1 plus 3 under root plus 2 under root 4 plus 2. 2 plus 2. This is 4. The answer is 4. The answer is 4. So this is the way how to do the question. Okay, students, the time is over. Time is over. Only less than 1 minute is left. So I don't have, I already told you, I don't have the WhatsApp, I don't have the mobile, I don't have the SIM. So tomorrow, inshallah, I will purchase it, mobile, SIM, etc. Today is the Chelam of Hazrat Imam Hussain Razillah Ta'ala Anha. Today the market is closed. So inshallah tomorrow I will purchase it. So therefore don't try to communicate on WhatsApp or on the mobile.